Thought of doing a few videos on the wonders of stock rank report. The stocks that come in the SRR report help us make fantastic gains. How we can use it and what are the stocks that have made such gains in the recent period. In each video, one stock we will talk. The stocks that have made their journey and completed, just as a reference, so that we can use these inputs to identify opportunities in the future. Let's talk about Tanla platforms. This company is called Tanla Platforms. The stock that doubled after it came into top ranks. This is the chart of rank and the stock price. Tanla came into the track list because it's a small cap stock and not in the NSE 500, BSE 500 listing. So obviously only if some mutual funds pick up that stock, we will have it tracked in our SRR report. Like that, it came into the report in March 2021. At the time when it entered the report itself, both its ranks were above 80. The requirement for SRR qualifier is both PRS and ERS ranks should be above 80. Those stocks that qualify at the top are well worth to be invested and higher probability that those stocks will give fantastic gains. This one, Tanla, prior to coming into the ranking itself, the stock had a good run. After it came here also, we can see a significant rally. When it came into the ranking, that is when the stock came into listing itself, it was at top rank. At that time, stock price was at 965. After that, it went into a very prolonged consolidation, nearly 6 months of consolidation. Still, ranking kept its hold at the top. We can see here this consolidation period. In that period too, both the ranks are above 80. After that, it gives a breakout and the journey was fantastic, which made more than 100% gains. And subsequently, it has come down. Now, if we see at the right edge, both the ranks have dropped. So obviously, this stock has completed its journey. And now we are talking about how the journey had happened. Let's go to the charts to find out how we could have taken this opportunity. I had talked about the rally prior to the ranking itself. So this stock took off post COVID in 2020 itself. At that time, it was a very small stock, less than 100 rupees stock. It came up to 1000 rupees. After that, only this stock comes into our tracking list, and this is the consolidation that it went to, still maintaining its bullishness. We use this trend identification indicator. This is a proprietary indicator which we have. When this is in green lines, it shows the stock is bullish trending. Similarly, if it has a red line, it is bearish trending. If it doesn't have any lines at the top, it is a non-trending stock. Ideally, investing into a trending stock is giving us an edge to have a profitable outcome. So in Tanla, as it came into the listing and qualified in the top ranks, this was the space where the stock was there. From here, we have to look for a breakout. So we will go one step lower to the weekly charts. I will make it a little bigger so that we can have a view very clearly. In March 2021, it comes into the listing, and after that, this is the consolidation that it went through. It had a high of 1030, and I remember I was watching this 1030 breakout for a very, very long time. It did not happen. Subsequent rally took the stock up to 1025.5. As I keep the cursor here, you can see the high that is recorded 1025.5. Previous high was 1030. So breakout did not happen. Subsequently, there was new resistances that were getting formed between this high and low, this zone. After 1030, 1025 become a resistance. Then price still held the range. Again, there was a drop and a small rally which took the resistance to 950. This is the place where we should look for buying, and that happened in October 2021. Towards the end of October 2021, there is a breakout, and after that, whenever breakouts happen, if it comes with good volume, we can see very high volume also. Prior to that, on the consolidation period, volume was very low. This red line is the average of the volume. When the breakout happened, volume confirmed that the breakout is significant, and after that it continued on its rally. The red dots and green dots are the stop losses. When the stop loss gets hit, we have to exit. We can see here, third week of January, the stock hits the stop loss at 1798. Entry was 950, exit was 1798, giving around 845 rupees profit in just 3 months. That's the beauty of stock rank report. Statistics for Tanla: breakout comes at 950, exit comes at 1798. The journey was just 3 months, giving 850 rupees profit, or 848 to be precise, on an investment of 950, almost double in just 3 months. This is the advantage of using ranks, which otherwise none of us are. To identify such kind of a stock is very, very difficult. Using ranks, it helps us harvest and get the stocks that are to be the stars in the future. Of course, you need patience, because this ranking came in March and we have to be continuously tracking it for the next 6 months till the time the entry came. So if you miss that, then opportunity is gone. So patience pays. So this is how stock rank reports are used. We will do similar kind of videos on stocks that have completed their journey and what are the returns that they have given. Also, while doing this, we will get an idea of how to use the rank report with in alignment with the charts. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video with one more such great stock in the coming weeks. Thank you.